are you doing, folks? James Barry, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this bluestone metallic paint finish with the BMW LED front lights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tires. You have the silver trim surrounding the windows and the silver vents just behind the front tires. The shark fin aerial up top. If you come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the rear LED tail lights, the twin exhausts, rear parking sensors, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the old key fob and she'll pop right open. Now let's take a quick step inside and have a look at some of the spec on board this 520D SE. Now that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit with a comfort mode, sports mode, and an eco pro mode. Sorry, the radio is after turning on. Also on board is the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. Some of the features on board the BMW teleservice is enhanced Bluetooth communication, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, and many other extras. You have the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the BMW iDrive system that allows you to quickly control and access the BMW teleservice. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish and blue ambient lighting surrounding the trim. It's fully customizable and you can select from a range of different colors. You have the multifunctional BMW paddle shift steering wheel with active cruise control and brake feature. You're also able to control the radio from the steering wheel. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, the pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system, and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Dealer in Charlestown. My name is James Power. Thank you very much for watching.